Hi guys, so welcome to day 20. I can't believe we're on day 20, can you? I think it's day 20. Yeah, day 20 of this advent calendar series of mine. So today we are going to do an oldie but a goodie of a video. We are going to do what's in my bag. So this is my current day-to-day bag. This is a Longchamp backpack. I got mine in an airport, so it's a lot cheaper, but yeah, it's mine's in black with brown hardware. I think they're all got brown hardware. And then yeah, so I've not actually sorted out my bag. The only thing I threw in here was my phone. So first thing I pulled out are my glasses. So you would have seen me with these on a few times in videos and stuff. They have blue little reflective lenses in them because I look at screens all the time for my job. If you can hear any weird noises, it is my grandparents, they are above me. Next is an Impulse burnt marshmallow and leather jacket spray. I just have this just in case. It smells good. It's in my bag just in case I think I smell. I think it's like £3. If I can find it, I will link it down below. Next in here, I pulled two things out, well done Alex, is my little portable charger. I have an Anker portable charger. I will leave this down below if I can find it. I have a little lead that came with a different portable charger. This lasts forever. I love this thing. I take it everywhere because I use my phone way too often. The other thing I pulled out, and they're in my bag all the time, but a lot of the time it's predominantly in the winter, is the Vaseline Intensive Care Sensitive Healthy Hands Stronger Nails hand cream. Doesn't really need to be this one. I just have several hand creams in my bag due to the fact that it's cold. Next item, let's just go in my bag, is my mobile phone. I actually don't know where my case is from anymore. This is like over a year old now. My pop socket, there's nothing on my phone, no notifications. My pop socket is a Jeffree Star one. What is next? My headphones are somewhere. They're not actually in here. Oh, two more things. Next is a pack of the Cussons Carex Complete little wipes. I always have a pack of wipes. I have a little sister, as well as I'm a mucky pup. And everyone in my life is a mucky pup. But these are very useful. Also, public bathrooms. These are really good for. Next is my Michael Kors purse. It has some cards in it. It has currently got a £5 in it. Banging. I never have cash. And change that I need to put in my money pot. Who's coming down the stairs? Are they coming down to see me? It's my nan, I can hear her. All change for me goes in a money pot for savings. What else is in me bag? Is there anything in the front pocket? Ah, there is. There's a lot of things in the front pocket. In the front pocket we have Superdrug receipt, some mints,
I could do with a wee.
and the comics that I don't remember buying.
Oh, come on. Don't pull the chain, okay.
When did I buy this? When you realise that you've been talking to yourself for 5 minutes because you forgot to stop filming because your nan came in. But yeah. So, comics. I have two. Don't know why I have two. I might have robbed this off my nan by accident. Also, I pulled out this, which is my card holder, which has my provisional license in it, so you're not seeing that. Two pens. Two points. No, that's 2 points, Alex. Jeffree Star lipstick in Fully Nude. There is always a lippy in my bag somewhere. Doesn't matter who it's by, predominantly Jeffree Star. Always Jeffree Star. Alex loves Jeffree Star. And when I remember, my G7X Mark II. Yeah, I have a G7X Mark II. I love this little thing. I vlog on it all the time. This is my go-to little camera. It's my favourite. little camera. Ah, I also pulled out a pack of Polos and a Superdrug receipt. I can't remember if I showed that because I don't actually know when it stopped filming. But yeah, that is all that's in my little long... I say that, it's still making noise. Ah, it is the actual little... I'm such an idiot. Sometimes I'm very clever. Sometimes I'm an actual idiot. But yeah, that's all that's in my little bag. Thank you for joining me on day 20 of this journey, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.